to my channel Learn and Grow. Today I am going to discuss one of the most useful Excel function, which is the today function. Now today function, it brings us the current date, which is the date of today. Now syntax, which is today, first bracket, second bracket, and it takes no argument. Now let us try to understand with an example. I am here in my Excel workbook. I am just typing equal to today, first bracket, second bracket, and pressing enter, which is giving me 18th October 2020, the current date. Now if I want to change the format of this display, right click on it, go to format cells, and let us take suppose this format 18/10/2020. Click on OK. Now it is showing me the current date. Now why it is being used? Suppose I want to calculate the age of mine as on today. There I can use the today's function. If I want to calculate the difference between two dates, that is age, that is the date of today, and a date in the past or in the future, there I can use it. Thanks for watching.